Hello, and welcome to my channel. So, I really enjoyed anime Suicide Squad Isekai, and the ending is Go Getters by Mori Calliope. I didn't know her before this ending, before this song, and I really like the song, I really like the full version, and now we have got music video. I'm not sure if you will see this music video or it will be without the sound or with sound because I was trying to make reaction for ending of anime and it was blocked for everybody. So I'm not sure now. Um, but still I want to watch this because it's a really great song. It will be interesting to see the music video and I will be happy with my another reactions. And yeah, let's start it. Let's start it. So give me a few seconds. I hope that it will be okay. So let's go. Okay. Oh, so we have a dance battle. That's good idea. Nice. That's cool. Mm, wow, that's cool. Great, great music video. I really enjoy this, and yeah, I will watch to the end because everybody in the here deserve applause. Nice. A really great music video, great song. Uh, yeah, I heard that song during trailer for Suicide Squad Isekai, and I must admit, I thought that it will be opening for the anime. So when I saw the first episode, was very surprised that we have got that opening, like no lyrics, only music. Like it was good, yeah, but I was mentally prepared for this. So uh, I was very happy in the ending that we have got this beautiful song. Also that dancing battle between uh, between them, between Walter and Harley Quinn was very very crazy, and I really enjoyed this. I hope that we will see in the future second season of Suicide Squad Isekai because it's still the ending is open. Yes, so what will happen next? No spoilers from my side, but it's really great anime. I highly recommend to you. It's by Wit Studio. The animation is really beautiful. Story is interesting. Crazy isekai anime. Um, yeah, I'm not like fan of DC universe. I didn't see Suicide Squad like the movies, or also I know it's now cartoon or something like this. Yeah, I knew about Suicide Squad thanks to Anis trailers and Hishi channels, yeah, and their parodies for this or the comments. Yeah, sorry. Um, so I didn't know like almost nothing about the. I saw the Peacemaker, the TV show, but yeah, also like it was interesting, but not to show like what I will watch second time. And for me also the Mr. Cena, he has got roots in my country in Czech Republic, so for me it's also from that side is like interesting. Um, to that it was possible to watch his performance in that TV show. Yeah, I'm not sure if it was possible for you to listen this song or not. Uh, but if you are still listening, thank you very much, and I hope that we will watch my another reactions in the future. So for now, see ya.